Magandang araw po. Kayo po ay nanonood o nakikinig sa programang Opinyon dito sa Danilo Dizon TV. Palakpakan.
My distinguished colleagues, I stand before you today with a heavy yet resolute heart. Recent events compel me to address not only the accusations that have been hurled against me personally,
Use Consace. It has zinc, vitamins A, C, and E. Helps with strong immunity and collagen production.
Pagbida yung mga nagtatanong pero wala namang gagawang action, takot din. Kagaya kay Digong nyo, halos lahat pinamin na yung kanyang responsibilidad, pananagutan sa mga namatay sa kanilang plan,
but also the attacks on the institution we hold sacred, the House of Representatives. The heart of our democracy and the voice of the Filipino people. Let me begin with a matter that is both alarming and unprecedented. The Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Sara Duterte, admitted to contacting an assassin killed President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos, and myself. Let me be clear. Hindi na to biro. Hindi na to normal na panalita. Isa itong direktang banta sa ating demokrasya, sa ating pamahalaan, at sa seguridad ng bayan.
Di ba manghiya lang yan? Politika yan?
Such statement is not just reckless, it is dangerous. It sends a chilling message to our people. A message that violence can be contemplated by those in positions of power. This is not just an affront to the individuals targeted, it is an attack on the very foundation of our government. It is an insult to every Filipino who believes in the rule of law and the sanctity of life. Violence has no place in our society. It is irreconcilable with the values that have taught and guided us for years. Values of respect and amicable, peaceful conflict resolution. We cannot let this pass as mere rhetoric. The gravity of such confession demands accountability. It demands answers. It demands that we, as the representatives of the Filipino people, take a stand to protect our democracy from any and all forms of threats. The actions of the Vice President will go down in the annals of
Hindi
history
ginagawa
like a
ng
nightmare that will haunt our
Kasi
people
ang
for
war on
generations.
drugs,
And
kailangan
this
matapang
House
ang leader.
will do whatever we can
Kailangan
to protect the
nakahanda
dignity
ka,
of this
nakahanda pulis mo
institution
kasi yung mga
and the
kalaban,
100 million
yung
Filipinos we
baril,
represent.
yung mga private army, mga yaman din, mga sindikato, mga smuggler.
Now, let us address another serious matter. The Vice President's unfounded
Kaya siguro,
and baseless
lahat naman
accusations
may,
that I
smuggling.
am plotting to destroy her because of alleged
Bakit?
political
Eh,
ambitions
gusto
for
sila
2028
kumukuha ng pera
elections. My colleagues, these accusations
doon sa
are not
kanilang
only
programa,
untrue,
yung
they are a
road
desperate
system,
attempt
saan
to
ba
distract
nakinuha yung
from the real issues at hand.
pambayad doon.
Malinaw ang
Yung mga
katotohanan.
nandun sa
Ang trabaho ko
mga
bilang
tinupok sa
speaker ay
gobyerno
maglingkod,
kasi
hindi
bawal
manira.
naman,
Ang politika na paninira ay hindi kailanman naging bahagi ng
bayad
aking
doon sa
prinsipyo.
mga pulis na nakikita nilang bumatay.
My focus has always been on fulfilling my responsibilities as Speaker of the House,
masama o
leading
hindi,
with utmost
legal o
integrity,
illegal.
untarnished by
Ano
division
yan?
and self-interest,
Kasi yun ang
and guided by the principle
style niya,
that
eh.
every action
Pamamahala,
and decision I take
paglilinis ng mga
must always be for the
ng
benefit
kriminalidad.
of the Filipino people.
Eh, iba takot kasi
These
daw
unfounded accusations are
hindi
not
na
just
sila
about
may
me.
boto.
They are an
Kasi,
affront to the House of
Isipin
Representatives.
nila yung mayor nila
They are an
gago,
attempt to
killer,
erode public
mamamatay
trust in
tao.
this institution,
Eh, si Digong
to sow
kahit
division,
na anong isipin
and to
nyo,
create
kahit na
chaos.
punta sa
We choose unity over division, dialogue over conflict,
Kung makulong siya,
and
makulong
cooperation
din.
over
Makulong
confrontation.
siya. Sinabi yun.
Why these baseless
Ang
accusations?
Ang tanong nga niya eh.
The answer is simple. To divert
Tagal na
attention
pumapatay.
from the mounting
Oh.
evidence of fund
Di ba
misuse
kaya
under her
tayo?
leadership at the
Yung
office of the
tao,
Vice
yung
President
namin na
and
wala
Department
tayong
of
ginagawa
Education.
action, pero yung mga
The
taong
issues
mga
surrounding
mahirap
confidential
na
and intelligence funds, the questionable
nagdahan
disbursements,
na
and the lack of transparency
naituro,
demand answers. We will not tolerate and accept vague explanations and evasive responses. Kung wala kang itinatago, bakit hindi sagutin ang mga tanong? Karapatan ng taong bayan na malaman ang katotohanan.
Ganun ba yun? Oh.
Accountability
Ngayon,
is not optional. Transparency is not negotiable. Those entrusted with public funds must be prepared to explain where it was disbursed and how these resources were utilized.
Pero ang
Hindi ito
bagal
personal.
kumilos.
Ito ay usapin ng pananagutan at tiwala
Nagtitigil
ng
nga kayo,
taong
sayang
bayan.
yung pera ng taong bayan.
Instead of
Ginagamit
providing
nyo sa
clarity, we have seen attempts to shift the narrative,
sayang ang kuryente
to
dyan,
create
yung mga
distractions,
alawas nyo. Siyempre,
and to fabricate stories.
malamang na
But let me
pag
remind
may hiling, may
everyone,
mga allowance
the
kayo
truth
natatanggap
is
eh.
resilient.
Extra,
No amount of noise
minsan
can
may
drown it.
extra salary o
This
extra
House of the
allowance,
people is a sacred
Kaya lang,
institution.
walang tawag dyan eh. Pag,
It is the
may
embodiment
hiling eh.
of the people's will,
Siyempre, medyo
and its
nag-overtime
dignity
kayo.
must be upheld at all times.
Panay order nyo na
Ang
pagkain.
Kongreso ay sagrado. Ang mga patakaran at seguridad dito ay hindi nilalabag. Ang paglabag sa mga ito ay kawalang galang sa taumbayan ng ating pinaglilingkuran.
Tumigil nga kayo.
Disrespect
para bang walang puro
For the
parang,
protocols, security
tingin mo,
measures,
anghel kayo
and
lahat yan?
leadership of this institution
Pare-pareho
is
lang
not
naman
just a
kayo.
breach of rules, it is a breach of trust.
taas ang kaway.
To mock our protocols, to defy our orders, and to malign our leaders is to disrespect the Filipino people who elected us to serve. This House operates on the principles of the rule of law, transparency, and accountability. These principles are the bedrock of our democracy. To undermine them is to weaken the foundation upon which our nation stands. My colleagues, I call on you to stand with me in defending this institution.
Halos wala na ng wala na ng malinis. Babibilang sa daliri.
Ipaglaban natin ang dignidad ng Kongreso. Ipaglaban natin ang katotohanan.
Halos naman dyan,
Ipaglaban natin ang
gumagawa
ating
ng
demokrasya.
kalokohan. Wala nga amin. Kasi wala kasi nag-iimbestiga sa
not about personal
parang hindi
interests.
fair ang laban.
It is
Nag-iistiga
about
kayo sa
preserving the
presidente,
integrity of the
nag-iistiga
House
kayo sa
of
vice
Representatives
president.
and ensuring
Pero
that it
kayo,
remains strong
Sino
and a
nag-iimbestiga
credible
sa inyo?
voice for the Filipino people.
Sino? Ha?
To the Filipino people, I assure you that this House will not waver in its commitment to transparency, accountability, and service. We should not allow individuals to ruin this great nation with their manipulative tactics, their troll armies, or their few blind
Sana
followers.
pupunta tayo, may mga
We
paliwanag
owe it
ba
to the
yan?
Filipino people to remain
Dapat
steadfast
kasi,
in our mission to
lumalabas
pass
na
laws
sugyari
that
kasi
improve
wala
lives,
tayong mga pera
protect
na
freedoms,
tinatanggap din.
and ensure a brighter future for all. Finally, I reaffirm my unwavering support for President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and his administration.
Ayun, baka ang nangyayari dyan, iniikot nila si Sara dahil sa tingin niya malakas eh. Tatakbo ng presidente sa 2028.
Together, we will continue to advance reforms and policies that will lead us to economic recovery, national security, and a more equitable society. Ang laban na ito ay hindi tungkol sa akin, hindi tungkol sa inyo, kundi para sa ating bayan at sa kinabukasan ng bawat Pilipino.
Kaya alam niyo, si Sara tatakbo. At
Let us
sa tingin
rise
niya,
above
medyo
the
malakas
distractions.
pa.
Let us reject baseless
Ayun
accusations.
nga lang ang vice
Let us
president
focus
eh.
on what truly matters,
Yung
serving
inisip
the
niyo,
people
malakas.
and strengthening the institutions that
Yung boto niya,
uphold
mas
our
malakas,
democracy.
mas
Let us stay
malaki pa sa
focused,
boto ni
steadfast, and
PBBM
committed
eh.
to the great job we are doing.
Kaya,
It is indeed
sa
my
tingin
honor and
niyo,
privilege
mabigat na
fighting this battle
makakalaban,
with and for all of you.
yung
Thank you, and may God bless the
Speaker,
Philippines.
Martin
Mabuhay
Romualdez.
Kongreso! Mabuhay ang kamay ng Pilipino!
Yun yun eh. Yun ang totoo. Hindi nyo pwedeng daanin sa speech yan. Ano ang action mo? Baka naman puro lang paninira na lang yan. Sinasabi, sa speech
Yan
niya,
po, narinig niyo po si
Sara.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez
Nasisirain niyo sa taong bayan.
sa kanyang speech
Masamang tao,
at kanyang patutupad
Di ba?
ang
Tayo mo yan eh, bulok.
kanilang
Tumigil nga
sagrado
kayo.
trabaho, pagtatango ng demokrasya, batas at sinumpang nilang tungkulin. Hindi po sila dapat matakot sa anumang pagbabanta. Ika nga trabaho
Hindi
lang.
sila natatakot.
So kayo po ay nakikinig sa programang Opinion dito sa Danilo Dizon TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyo pakikinig. Sana po ay pakitulong lang, pakipindot lang yung hand symbol sabay, naka-thumbs up bilang suporta, at paki-click din yung aking photo dyan sa baba ng video. Lalabas po yung the word subscribe, paki-click na rin o pakipindot. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. God bless po.
Palakpakan.
Their troll armies or their few blind followers. We owe it to the Filipino people to remain steadfast in our mission to pass laws that improve lives, protect freedoms, and ensure a brighter future for all. Finally, I reaffirm my unwavering support for President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and his administration. Together, we will continue to advance the reforms and policies that will lead us to economic recovery, national security, and a more equitable society. Ang laban na ito ay hindi tungkol sa akin, hindi tungkol sa inyo, kundi para sa ating bayan at sa kinabukasan ng bawat Pilipino. Let us rise above the distractions. Let us reject baseless accusations. Let us focus on what truly matters, serving the people and strengthening the institutions that uphold our democracy. Let us stay focused, steadfast, and committed to the great job we are doing. It is indeed my honor and privilege fighting this battle with and for all of you. Thank you, and may God bless the Philippines. Mabuhay ang Kongreso! Mabuhay ang Kabayang Pilipino!
Yan po, narinig niyo po si House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa kanyang speech at kanyang patutupad ang kanilang sagradong trabaho, pagtatanggol ng demokrasya, batas at sinumpaan nilang tungkulin. Hindi po sila dapat matakot sa anumang pagbabanta. Ika nga trabaho lang. So kayo po ay nakikinig sa programang Opinion dito sa Danilo Dizon TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Sana po ay pakitulong lang, pakipindot lang yung hand symbol sabay, naka-thumbs up bilang suporta, at paki-click din yung aking photo dyan sa baba ng video. Lalabas po yung the word subscribe, paki-click na rin o pakipindot. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig.